Here is another shop. There you can see some small Makali idols over there. So the work is going on at full flow over here. Good afternoon internet, welcome back to another new video. Currently I am at Kumotuli to show you the progress of Kali Thakur idol making. So now around 2 weeks are left, nearly 2 weeks are left for Kali Puja 2021, and I am here to show you the how is the progress going on Makali idols over here at Kumotuli. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, do give the video a like. This is going to be my first time that I am going to shoot the Makali idol making. Quite excited to show you because I am quite amazed by seeing the first glance of the Makali idols over here. The first shots that I saw, the height of the Makali idols are quite big. Here is for you all the Makali idol making 2021. This is the entrance of Kumotuli Idol Maker Lane, and you can see on the left Makali idols have been prepared. Half of the work is done over here. Only the painting and decoration work are left. There you can see there is quite a large scale Makali Murti over here. On the right is the decoration shop. Again on the left you can see these are idol decoration, pandal decoration shops. So you can see the solar cars over there, and normal beautification stuffs of the idols are being sold over here. On that side also same pandal decoration, idol decoration, Shadmala and all are being sold over here. So these are left for drying. So you can see the sun rays over there directly coming on these idols, and the drying up process of the idols is going on. It is totally moist on the surface. Sun rays are making it dry. Basically, this is the first time I am covering the Kali idol preparation. Basically, every year I come before the Durga Puja and record the Durga idol preparation video. But this time, for the first time, I am going to post a video related Ma Kali idol preparation. So, quite excited as well to show you, and let's see how you all are going to give the response in this video. Now I am going to enter another lane. Here you can see the idols are kept for drying up. You can see huge number of Ma Kali idols kept in this shop. These idols are medium height, not that big that you saw just before, but these are made very nicely. Here is another shop. There you can see some small Ma Kali idols over there. This Kali idol is being painted over here. I don't think this has been made this year, but I'm quite unsure because maximum over there you can see this remaining. Those are unpainted ones, but these are painted. So I'm quite doubting whether these are being prepared this year only. So here is another big Ma Kali idol over here. Here you can see another big Ma Kali idol. This is the lunch time, so the artists are busy preparing their lunch over here. He is preparing a totally new Ma Kali idol. You can see this is the first level preparation going on of the Ma Kali idol. So after this the mitti work would be done and then the painting work. So basically they are creating the main structure of the Ma Kali idol currently. done with this lane. We had an idea how is the preparation going on this lane. So majority of the Kali idols preparation had been done. So only the painting work and the decoration work are left of this lane, and some are new Kali idols are also getting prepared over here compared to the first lane. Here the Kali idols are some are medium height, some are big heights. So this is going. This was my first time seeing it, and I'm enjoying it. So now I have to enter this lane. So let's see how is the preparation of the Kali idols, Ma Kali idols over here in this lane. These are all the decoration stuffs, additional decoration stuff that makes the idols look more beautiful. You can see that applying the mitti to the idols. Here the joining works are going on of the back structure. The work is going on at full flow over here. Looks how beautiful these are looking. These are small Ma Kali idols. Look how many Ma Kali idols have been kept over here. After this, these all are left to apply those mittis, and then a final structure would be prepared. Let's see how many are kept. Done with this lane also. This majority are short-heighted Ma Kali idols. One lane left over here. Hope you had an idea of how is the preparation going on of Ma Kali idols before the Kali Puja 2021. The last Kali left here. They are Durga idols they make every year quite huge. Hope height of the Ma Kali idols will be quite huge as well. So let's wait and check it out. These are the shops I was talking about. They make big height Kali idols. Just have a look how big this Ma Kali idol is. Quite tall in height. So behind you saw those mitti would be stick to the structure of the idols, and then after they are dried up, then the painting work would be started of the idols. So this was all from the Mahakali idol preparation at Kumortuli. Hope it was helpful to you and you had an idea of how is the preparation going on of Mahakali idols at Kumortuli before the Kali Puja. So if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye from Kumortuli.